Hi, I'm Tom Sawblade Seagraves, and thank you for tuning in to another hands-on series. In today's video, we'll be replacing an old bandsaw blade in our Trajan 125 machine. Before we begin any kind of maintenance on our machine, we always want to make sure that it's unplugged and that we've got the proper PPE. So you'll need your glasses and some gloves. First, take your Phillips screwdriver and go ahead and get the screws off this back plate here on your machine. Now that the cover's off, we're ready to get the bandsaw blade off the wheels. What you want to do is hold the blade steady while you detension the machine. All right. Should slide around the wheels here. Make sure you get it around the casing. Should just be in the guides. Give it a little tap to break it free. And there's your old bandsaw blade. Put that there, and let's get our new bandsaw blade out from Sawblade.com. You can order all your saw blades and any aftermarket parts that you need to be able to run at peak performance. You want to be careful when you uncoil your bandsaw blade, making sure that it's facing away from you in case it slips. And there we go. Excellent. When installing the blade, always refer to your machine and what face the teeth should be oriented. Your Trajan 125 has an arrow pointing to the left, and our teeth are pointing to the left. So let's go ahead and get this baby on. You'll start with the guides, just working the blade in there and feeding it through back and forth until it snaps into position. All right, now that it's in there, go ahead and take your blade. You might have to bend it, wrap it around the wheels, and the back of your bandsaw blade should sit on the wheel against the ridge on the back. So we've got the back there, we'll line it up here. Once you've got it seated on the wheel, you can give it a little bit of tension. On your Trajan 125 and 150 saws, all the tensioning is done by hand via this knob, and all you have to do to make sure that it's the proper tension is to tighten it until you can't anymore. The blade is installed. We're going to turn the machine on and give it a few revolutions and turns to make sure that there's no flaws or defects in the blade that could cause you any trouble. Excellent. Everything seems to be working right. We'll turn the machine off. Now all we have to do is reinstall that back plate. And that is how you successfully install a new bandsaw blade in your Trajan 125 machine. Thank you for watching the video. Please check out Sawblade.tv for more hands-on series, product overview, and tech tips from me, Tom Sawblade Seagraves. And remember, Sawblade.com. No middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.